really know how much cladding you need for your project? Using the cladding calculator not only simplifies your planning but ensures you purchase the right number of materials, saving time and money. In this video, we'll guide you on how to accurately calculate the amount of cladding you'll need for your project using the Australian Treated Pines Cladding Calculator. Let's get started. Open your preferred web browser and visit AT-Pine. Open your cladding product which you want to calculate. Now, choose the preferred size and click on the Calculate button. This will send you to the AT-Pine Cladding Calculator web page. Start by entering the dimensions of the area you're planning to clad. Input the length and the width in meters, ensuring each measurement is precise to one decimal place. Accuracy is key, so double-check your measurements before entering them. Next, specify the cover of the board in millimeters. This will depend on the specific type of cladding board you're using. The default size is set at 133 millimeters, but you can fill in the exact dimensions depending on your specifications. Now, select your wastage factor. It's smart to account for some extra material due to cutting and fitting options range from 0% up to 15%. Once you've filled out all the fields, click Calculate. The calculator will display the total square meters and linear meters of cladding you'll need. And there you have it. You now have an accurate estimate of the materials required for your cladding project. Once you're satisfied with the estimation, now you have an option to send the estimation on your email ID for future reference. If you have any questions or need additional assistance with your cladding project, AT-Pine provides contact information on their website. Feel free to contact our team for expert advice and guidance.